At JSI, we pride ourselves on delivering quality products and services for all our customers. In order to do this repeatedly, we follow a detailed process that allows us to meet our commitments to our customers. After an initial customer contact, our sales and engineering teams work with our client to develop concepts. And upon approval, our project team plans, schedules, and assigns resources. We work really hard to ensure that our team has met every requirement and that you are satisfied. Only when you are satisfied will our team move to production. Our production management team makes sure that manufacturing is done according to your requirements and that we meet deadlines. Never will you have to worry about the stage of your project, as our team is in constant communication with you to ensure that you have the latest info. We take the greatest attention and care to bring your vision to life. We're here to help you solve your fall protection and GSE challenges and keep you mission ready, mission capable.